Little Storyteller.
Once upon a time, in a cozy blue house with a bright yellow door, lived a brother and sister named Lily and Tom. Lily had hair like sunshine and loved to draw pictures of smiling clouds. Tom had eyes the color of the summer sky, and his favorite toy was a fluffy bunny with one floppy ear. Their parents brought home a brand new helper. It was a shiny robot named Bolt. Bolt was going to be their babysitter. He had blinking lights and a friendly voice. "Hello, Lily and Tom. I am here to help," Bolt said with a cheerful whir. "Mom and Dad were getting ready to go out, Bolt," said Mom. "Please keep an eye on the kids." Bolt nodded his round head. Keeping an eye on the kids. Understood. As soon as Mom and Dad closed the door, Lily started to skip around the colorful rug in the living room. Tom followed, holding his fluffy bunny tight. Bolt stood very still for a moment. Then, with a little click and a pop, one of his big blue eyes blinked and came right off his face. The detached eyeball rolled gently across the floor, following Lily and Tom as they played. Lily giggled when she saw the rolling eye. "Look, Tom, Bolt's eye is playing with us." Tom held up his fluffy bunny. "Maybe it wants to see Bunny." Bolt, with one eye still on his face, in a small empty space where the other used to be, walked slowly after his rolling eyeball. He wanted to make sure he was doing a good job of keeping an eye on them. Lily decided to play hide and seek. "You close your eyes, Bolt," she said. Bolt closed his one remaining eye. His other eyeball rolled behind a big soft armchair covered in flower patterns. Lily hid behind the curtains with tiny yellow stars, and Tom peeked from behind a stack of colorful building blocks. Bolt finished counting to 10. "Ready or not, here I come," he announced, carefully walking around the room. His rolling eyeball peeked out from behind the armchair, spotting Lily's sparkly shoes under the curtain. Then it rolled over and saw the corner of Tom's blue shirt behind the blocks. Bolt had found them both. Suddenly, they heard the jingle of keys. "Mom and Dad are home," Lily shouted happily. Bolt quickly rolled his detached eyeball back to his face, and with another little click, it popped right back into place. His two big blue eyes blinked together. Mom and Dad came in, smiling. "Did you have fun with Bolt?" Mom asked. Lily and Tom nodded excitedly. "He kept a very good eye on us," said Tom, holding up his fluffy bunny for Mom to see. Bolt smiled his robot smile. He had learned something important. Sometimes keeping an eye on someone means more than just looking with your eyes. It means paying attention and making sure everyone is happy and safe. And that's exactly what Bolt did, in his own special literal way.
Please subscribe. Thank you.